Have you ever been watching the news of a western wildfire or driving down the road and see the mountain on fire here in Appalachia and wonder, man, I wonder if that'll ever look the same? Well, I'm here to answer that question today on Common Ground. I'm Bryan Kerns, and I've been in Wildland Fire for close to 20 years now, and I've seen fires behave differently in different landscapes with different weather patterns, and it is devastating in the moment, but it does recover. In fact, the reason I know it recovers is because nature put fire there before we ever did. And so if something is part of nature, then it must have a role to play. And so the short answer will be, if the fire you see is in the grasslands, those grasslands will be green and recovered within 2 to 3 weeks of the fire, which blows people's minds sometimes. A forested area, typically in Appalachia, what's burning in the forest is the leaf litter. So you can drive by 2 to 3 weeks later and you may see a black ground, but your trees are going to look the exact same. A few trees here and there may have been torched, but most of the things are going to be unaffected. Also in Appalachia, most of our fires in the forest happen during the fall or early spring when that dormant season in the hardwood forest is going on. So those trees really don't even know what just happened. And they wake back up in the springtime with even a little more richer soil around their feet. So I hope this helps answer those questions. And again, next time you see a fire on the mountain and wonder, man, will that mountain ever look the same? The answer to that question is no, but it may be better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Common Ground.